Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Summer is here. Many of you have asked me for recipes for making vadams. Vadam, vadiyalu, papad, different languages, but they are all referring to crispy fryums. So I thought for beginners, let me make some very simple and easy vadams which you can try out and which really come out very tasty. For this, of course, you will need a mold like this in which we are going to put in the dough and squeeze it out. Ingredients, I have taken thick poha or aval, 1 cup of thick poha. This is sago or sabudana which I have powdered in the mixie. You just keep it in the sun for 2 to 3 hours and then you can powder it. So 1 cup poha and 1/4 cup of sago powder, a teaspoon of jeera or cummin seeds, some lemon juice, a couple of green chillies and salt. I have cut the green chillies and added the salt so that it will be easy to grind it, and also some hing or Asafoetida. Let us see how to make it. First, take the poha in a mixer or your blender jar and dry grind it into a fine powder. See, I have powdered the poha. To this, I am adding this sago powder. Add a little bit of hing or Asafoetida, some cummin seeds. Next is green chillies and salt also, we have to grind it. Now add this ground green chillies also to this. You can add a little water, no problem, because we are going to mix all this and make it into a dough. This is lemon juice, add that also. I have taken some water from the blender so that all the green chillies and salt come into the dough. Add water little by little and make a fairly loose dough. The reason is, with time the poha will absorb more water and the dough will become very tight. Check for salt and if required add a little bit more. I felt that I could do a little bit more of salt, so I am adding now. See, I have kneaded the dough and I think I have used about 1.5 cups of water. As I said, I allowed it to be a little loose dough because it will take in more water. Now cover this and keep it aside for about 1 hour. After that, we will go and squeeze it out in the sunlight for it to dry. Now it is 1 hour. Let us open this. If you feel your dough is hard, you can again sprinkle a little bit of water and make it a soft dough. And check for salt. If you require more green chillies or salt or lemon juice, you are free to add. Then just take a little bit of oil in your hands and again knead the dough well. You don't need much oil, just a teaspoon of oil will do. Now it is ready. Similarly, I have also greased the inside of this, greased this plate and also this. We are going to use these 2 plates today for making. So we have to dry it out in the hot sunlight. It needs to dry for minimum 2 to 3 days in hot sun. So first you have to spread out a cloth where you get good sunlight, and then we have to go and make the badams there. So let's go now. Now take small balls of the dough, make it like this and put it into your mold. Press it out. I am changing this plate, star plate, and I am using this plate. Just see that they don't overlap each other. Place them separately like this and complete with all the dough. And for beginners, always try with a small quantity at first. And once you're able to make it well, you can continue with larger quantities, or you can do it over separate days. Don't do too much quantity on one day itself. Now we have to allow this to dry in sunlight, as I told you, for 2 or 3 days. So this evening, we'll take it out onto a plate, keep it inside. Again tomorrow morning we'll dry it out like that for 3 days, and then we can store it and fry whenever required. Now I have squeezed out all the dough and 2 different badam shapes. So let's wait for it to dry very well, and again, as I told you, we'll dry it over total of 3 days. Finally, on the 3rd day, after it is totally dried, I'll fry it in oil and show it to you. Now this is our dried vadam at the end of day 2. It has dried quite well. Again, we'll keep it for 1 more day in the sun and then see. Today is day 3. See how well these badams have dried. They have dried really well, and also these shapes. So I'll just fry them and show it to you. Heat some oil in a pan and fry a few at a time. See how they are puffing up well. Remove it. Now let's do a few of these also and show you. Here you have lovely, crispy, tasty badams, which will get finished in no time once you serve it. And be ready to get a lot of compliments from your family members for this lovely product which you have made, and you'll maybe have to make more of them. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy recipes. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications about my latest updates. Thank you.